Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this look for you. It is more on the creative side. It is definitely not beginner friendly. However, it is something that you can practice and have fun with because a graphic eyeliner to me is just absolutely stunning. I love when I see photos of different ways people wear their eyeliner. So here is one that I absolutely love, and it's just a nice cat eye. But then when you look down, it's like a little bit of fun and a surprise for everyone. I have some videos coming up for you guys. If you're interested in knowing the color that I use and how I style my hair, definitely subscribe to my channel. And if you are subscribed, make sure you hit the bell so that YouTube can notify you, because a lot of you always tell me that you didn't see my video until a week later or whatever the case may be. I want to make sure that you see this video because this is a highly requested video. Every single time I post a photo on Instagram or I post a video here, I always get asked for a hair tutorial. So that video is coming up very soon, so don't miss it. I hope you are interested in learning how to do this eye look. Please stay tuned. To start off this look, I'm going to apply my face products, and you have already seen all of these products in previous videos. But since the focus is on the eyes, I don't want to go too much into detail on what I'm doing to my face, but I will let you see all the products that I am applying. So right now I'm just applying my eye cream, and this is the Exuviance Eye Contour Cream. It is one of my favorites, and I know that my under eye products are going to stay nice and put when I use this, and it's going to moisturize and do all of the anti-aging benefits that I need. This foundation is the MAC Studio Fix Foundation, and my shade is NC44. It's almost time for me to do my color over, and my husband is quite busy right now. So he actually brought my color home for me. So I'm going to not only style my hair for you guys on video, but I'm also going to color my hair doing my exact shade that I've been rocking lately. So this is like a 2-in-1 kind of a video, and it's also something I've never done for you guys on camera. I actually haven't colored my own hair since being with my husband, who was my hairstylist first. Yeah. I think my hair is probably one of my #1 requested videos, so stay tuned. Okay, so we're gonna go into our eye products, and the first thing that I'm going to do is just apply a little bit of concealer and then do my brows. If you have extremely oily lids, I would prime first. For my brows, I'm going to go in with my Benefit Goof Proof pencil, and this one is in shade number 4. This is my absolute favorite trusted pencil. It actually pains me to be using this when I know I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to go in with this Sigma palette. I just received this palette in the mail, and let me tell you, I haven't used a Sigma eyeshadow in a very long time, and this one truly does excite me. The colors are so pigmented. As you can see, I've already played with a few of these, and I'm really excited to show you guys this palette. The first color I'm going to go in with is Apricot, and I'm just going to dust that all over my lid, and this is just going to be my lid shade, so just to kind of even everything out. Now with the other end of this brush, this is another reason why I love Sigma, because they come with these brushes in them, and I love Sigma brushes. I have for a very long time. They're actually like one of the first brands that I wanted to buy when I first started off YouTube many years ago. I still love the quality of their brushes, but I will say the quality of their eyeshadows is so much more better than it used to be. It was always good, but it's like really good. Now we're gonna go in with another shade, and this shade is going to be Medallion, and it's just this gorgeous brown, rusted brown transition color. I always say to go back and forth, and also like tiny little circles to help blend out your eyeshadows. Now I'm just going to go in with my pencil. The reason that I'm choosing to go straight in with a pencil versus my gel liner is because I kind of want to draw it out first and make sure that I didn't go straight in with the harsher product. I'm just grabbing a black. You can go with brown if you feel a little bit more intimidated. Go in with the brown. First thing I want to do is just look straight into my mirror, find my crease. I'm going to go slightly above that. And I'm gonna leave that alone because I don't want to mess this whole entire thing up. Now we can feel a little bit more confident to go in with that liquid liner. I'm thinking that I'm going to go with my gel liner and then I'm going to tighten it up with the liquid eyeliner. For my gel liner, I'm going to go in with Black Track from MAC Cosmetics, and my brush is from Makeup Forever 250 straight brush.
So what I realized is that I cannot do eyeliner and talk at the same time. So while editing, I realized that I'm not speaking at all. So basically, you just want to follow the line that you created with that pencil and try not to go outside of that line and just do pieces at a time. I'm literally doing it so slowly in real life. The best thing about this is that it's makeup, and if we don't like something, we can just wash it right off.
I'm also going to take that into my top lash line. Okay, so I went ahead and did the other eye off camera because that was really hard to do on camera and try to stay in one spot when I need to just be free with this movement to get this straight line. Now we're going to go in with our mascara. This is my Pat McGrath Labs Dark Star Mascara and the color is Extreme Black. I'm going to apply this to my lower lash line, just in the outer corners. And then for my lashes, I'm going to go in with an old favorite of mine, and this is from the Shaman Cosmetics. These are Celine and they are so pretty. I absolutely love these lashes. So while my lash glue starts to get tacky, I'm just going to go and conceal a little bit. For my face, I'm going to use my Next to Nothing pressed powder from MAC Cosmetics, and this shade is Deep Dark. Going to get that on the surrounding perimeter. For my nose, I'm going to use my Pro Conceal from LA Girl. And to highlight, I'm going to use Gilded Honey from Laura Geller. And for my face, I'm going to use my Sigma blush, and I'm going to go in with the shade Cor de Rosa, which is this one right here. I'm going to use my Sigma large angle contour brush to apply. To make sure my eyes are the only thing speaking on my face, I'm going to go in with this liquid lipstick, and this one is from Sigma and their shade is called Cor de Rosa. And this completes the look. I will not say this is beginner friendly, but it was super fun to create something that's a little bit more on the creative side and not just your normal everyday makeup. And if you are looking forward to that hair video, make sure that you hit the bell so that you are notified when that video goes live, and it will be very soon because your girl needs to color her hair. Thank you so much for watching. Till my next video, stay beautiful.